If you are just joining, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more stories. Unleash the Beast, Chapter 7, Bargains. Ethan sat on the floor beside Peter for a moment, trying to steady his own breathing. The boy's eyes were open, but unfocused, like he was looking at something far away. The beast lingered in the shadows at the far end of the hall, its form shifting lazily now, as if the taste of fear had made it drowsy and content. Ethan stood, fists clenched. "If you touch another one of them, I swear." "You'll what?" The beast's voice was soft, but mocking. "Scold me? Slam the door you so kindly opened? You let me out, boy. I am free now." Ethan swallowed, forcing himself to think. What if I help you? What if I bring you something else? Something that's not the kids?" The beast's head tilted, amber eyes gleaming. "Oh, and what would you bring me?" "I can catch animals from the forest. Rabbits, birds, even foxes sometimes." The beast chuckled, low and dark. "Such kindness, but I am not hungry for fur or feather. I hunger for what lives inside the mind. Fear, doubt, despair." Still, its grin widened, jagged teeth glinting. "I will accept your offer, for now. But know this, little locksmith, hunger always returns." Ethan's gut twisted. "Then you leave them alone. All of them." "Agreed." The beast's voice was like silk over ice. "But bargains are dangerous things, boy. One day, you may find the price you pay is not the one you expected." It slipped past him like smoke, heading toward the back door that led to the forest. Ethan didn't follow. He stood there in the dim hallway, watching Peter shiver on the floor, and wondered just how badly he'd made things worse. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more exciting stories.